Welcome everyone! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of intellectual revolutions. We've got three brilliant students from different fields who will share their thoughts, beliefs, and perspectives about this topic.
That's right, Visto. Intellectual revolutions have profoundly shaped the way we think, learn, and understand the world around us. Today, we'll hear from third-year students studying education, criminology, and maritime studies.
Let's start by hearing the thoughts of a criminology student on intellectual revolutions.
Good day, ma'am, and thank you for letting us interview you. Could you please introduce yourself?
So, my name is Nisha Bungka from third year BSP.
So, for your question, ma'am, what are your beliefs about the intellectual revolution?
So, through discoveries, new ways of thinking, invention, so na-sharp ato ang knowledge about everything. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you for sharing your insight about the intellectual revolution.
Wow! Their opinion is truly insightful.
Next, let's hear from maritime student. Sir Ladeza and Sir Alemania will be conducting the interview.
For the third year maritime student, let's see the screen.
Good day, sir. Good day. Could you please introduce yourself first?
So good day everyone, I'm AJ Maginay of BSMT 3 Antares and I'm currently taking Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation and also a sponsored scholar under Veritas Maritime Corporation.
For your question, sir, what are your beliefs on the intellectual revolution?
So based on the concept of my understanding in the intellectual revolution is that it is part of what we call change. So change is evident and it's already constant and it is what society considers as a progressive movement as we are taking to a more developed and progressive part of the development in our society. For example, for instance, as we believe in our industry, the shipping industry, we are seeing the evidence of intellectual revolution. And one of those is the use of the chart, diba? You're also taking marine transportation. So chart is a fundamental aspect that is integrated to the development of electronic chart display information system, which is part of the intellectual revolution from manual to a more automated type of equipment. That helps us to make our life more easy, especially in our industry or career-wise, that demands more of our physical aspect. Then also, if we put intellectual revolution in our history, we can see that in the prior use of instruments like the stone as utensil during those Stone Age time, then the development of that or the initiative during that intellectual part created a more advanced and systematical development in terms of the utensil. And as part of what I believe, intellectual revolution, we can never interfere in it since we are grasping on the type of change that demands or create a much more life that create a more reliable and comfortable life, which I know personally and also you consider siya as part of what we like during this time, especially there's too much demand na we need to complement. Pero naroon siya disadvantages which include the reliance on that nga maka-create po siya of disadvantage in which it could affect as much of yourself, especially the physical aspect, since maka-create siya more sedentary lifestyle and the skills development nga from more manual which create a more skillful environment for you to develop, maka-create siya more reliable on automated and systematical concept na maka-lessen of skill development. And for me, the concept of intellectual revolution is both advantages for us and also disadvantage, but in terms we need to complement and correct those disadvantages so that we can create more complementable life with the progression of intellectual revolution. That's all.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your insights about the intellectual revolution. So that's the perspective of the maritime student on the topic. Back to you, John Loyola and Visto. Thank you, sir.
Another great perspective. It's fascinating to hear how different fields view intellectual revolutions.
Finally, we turn to Ma'am Bungo and Sir Galolo, who will interview an education student.
Good day, ma'am. Could you introduce yourself?
I am Grigana Giselme and I am an education student, majored in English. I am specifically in third year.
So I'll be asking you a question about your thoughts on intellectual revolution.
Okay, intellectual revolution. As what I've understood about intellectual revolution, I believe it is all about the changes in our society in which we people adapt in our society for us to survive. So intellectual revolution, it opts to there's a theory about it that when a certain things affects others, other things will be affected. So there will be a reaction to this. So intellectual revolution, it comes up with this what do you call this idea. So it comes up with an idea in which our minds as what I've said earlier, it opts to we people adapt to the changes of our society. So that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Each of these perspectives has been incredibly enlightening.
Yes, Visto.
And that wraps up our interview about intellectual revolution. Hope you learned something. Thank you.